Did you know that poor memory doesn't have anything to do with age? Being older doesn't mean you have a poor memory. In today's video, we will learn an exercise to keep your memory young. Poor memory is part of the list of issues considered common for elders. Although forgetting things doesn't always mean something serious, we should never ignore memory loss. See some easy and fun ways of restoring your focus and memory using Chinese medicine and acupuncture points. 1. GV20 point exercise. Found on the top of the head, this is the highest point of the body. Do you know how to find it? Put your fingers next to your ears, close to the temples, then bring them to the top of your head. There you will find GV20. It is right in the middle and on top of your head. Stimulating this point with gentle taps will help your focus, concentration, cognition, and intelligence. From a spiritual point of view, the GV20 is the closest point to the sky, which means it is the closest point to our spirits. Stimulating it can cleanse negative thoughts and give way to hope and a good mood. This point can be used to lessen depression and anxiety. In this case, stimulate the area for 1 minute, 2 to 3 times a day, or whenever you feel necessary. 2. Yintang exercise. Yintang is one of the most important energy meridians of our body. Its exact location is in the middle of the line that connects our brows. If you suffer from pain, stimulating the Yintang may help. Massage the point with your thumb for 30 seconds with circular motions following a clockwise direction. This point also helps with anxiety, calms the mind, and reduces headaches, dizziness, and the sensation of a heavy head. You can stimulate the Yintang point for 30 seconds to 1 minute, 2 to 3 times a day, or whenever you feel necessary. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Our daily lives can take our mental capacity to the extreme, be it to remember an old password or where you put your keys. These exercises for memory help us take on these challenges without fear. Add them to your routine and share your experience with us. Besides that, remember to exercise regularly, practice yoga or meditation, and play games that provoke your intellect, like crosswords, Sudoku, chess, and even video games. You should also keep a healthy and balanced diet and avoid the excessive consumption of alcohol and cigarettes. Lastly, maybe the most important habit of all, never stop learning. When we learn something new, new neural connections are formed, and the memory is exercised as we need to listen, process, and store new information. It doesn't matter what you are studying, as long as it's something new from what you already know, and you keep constantly stimulating your brain. For these same reasons, the habit of reading is essential. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.